Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
61 degrees. The air temperature dew point value coming in at 58. That is comfortable. Again, today we are looking at just, really lovely conditions, I think. It's going to be warm, no doubt about that, up near the 90-degree mark. But with that northeast wind coming and dew point values in the 50s, gets a little warm. So what? As long as the dew points are low, it still feels comfortable. So when's the humidity arrive? This weekend. It's going to come in full force, and you'll notice that probably starting Friday night, but certainly when you wake up Saturday morning. Local temperatures right now, 63 degrees, Sarasota 61 in Bradenton Parish, Lakewood Ranch at 62, 66 in Venice, 66 in Inglewood, 61 in Mayaca City. Not much of a difference since 24 hours ago. Really, we are locked into this pattern. The zero change since 24 hours ago in Sarasota, and at most a 2-degree change in Arcadia. And really, when you have a 1 or 2 degree difference in temperature, it's not a big deal. I mean, that's what makes averages, right? You get a degree or two above, a degree or two below, and you get an average eventually. 72 degrees, 9 a.m. By 12 noon, 85. Plenty of sunshine around. Same thing by 3 p.m. Maybe a few fair weather clouds, but no rain coming in near the 90 mark. Wind starts picking up during the afternoon around 3 o'clock, I'd say. And then as we head into the evening hours, we've got a nice breeze going on out of the east, and an 82-degree temperature should be lovely. So what's our weather maker? Well, in the future, it's going to be this cluster of showers down here in the Atlantic and this frontal boundary that's going to produce inclement, even severe weather in parts of the Ohio Valley and open plains today. There's already showers in progress bearing down on Indiana, and Illinois, and parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, areas around Kansas City, back into Dallas, seeing some heavier rains falling there, and eventually they will evolve into severe weather, I think, later today. High pressure for us, though, remains kind of constant with that easterly wind blowing, but this little trough of low pressure advances in our direction, that little easterly wave, and as it advances, it brings the moisture with it. There's a broad circulation in this system, but it's not going to be, I don't think, defined as any kind of a tropical system, other than it's just a tropical wave. We get lots of those during this time of year. And as it gets closer to the state of Florida, it's going to enhance our weekend rain chances. It's also going to draw in the humidity. Then, starting on Saturday, we pick up those rain chances from this little tropical wave, which will eventually dampen out and be absorbed by a frontal boundary approaching. That will maybe produce a little area of low pressure to the north of us that'll bring us better rain chances on Monday. Watch the Futurecast, put it into motion. This slug of tropical moisture advances, brings us higher humidity on Saturday and a chance of rain showers, even a thunderstorm not out of the question. Then the frontal boundary, located back to the north, advances. The two kind of meet up together and produce better rain chances on Monday. The front swings south, drier air filters in, and by Wednesday or so, drier air brings us a kind of nice Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Maybe even next weekend looks pretty good as well. So, some much-needed rainfall coming our way, but unfortunately just in time for the weekend. Severe weather threat, Kansas City today. As that system advances to the east, we start to see lesser chances of severe weather. And by the time it hits Florida, none at all. Just maybe a thunderstorm or two on Saturday. Forecast for boating today, northeast at about 5 to 10, increasing to 15. Kind of breezy out there later on. Watch for that. Daytime high today comes in at 89 degrees. Nighttime lows will start to rise just a little bit because of that increase in humidity slowly occurring, but then as we get into the weekend, it really does kind of spike back up. Remember, moist air retains the heat at night and brings us those chance of showers in the afternoon. That starts on Saturday. And then on Sunday, again, another chance of rain. The front comes through on Monday with a better chance of rain and then starts to clear out with some drier air moving in.